so big, so much to do and see.
Let's go see.
I'm a young prospector, prodigy. I can't succeed in being you.
So what to do?
So you be you and I'll be me. I'll be me. I just like you, I'm gonna be me.
Kujo, Kujo,
Just like you, I'm gonna be me.
Kujo, Kujo, Kujo. Kujo, Kujo,
Just like you, I'm gonna be me.
Kujo, Kujo, Kujo.
Hello friends, it's so nice to see you again at Kujo's Kid Zone. My name is Miss Madison, and today we're going to sing a really fun song called the Itsy Bitsy Spider. Before we begin singing, we're going to learn the hand movements for this song. The first thing we want to do, boys and girls, is we want to take our hand and we want to face it up just like this. We're going to take our other hand and we're going to put it upside down and we're going to put it together just like this. And this is going to be our little spider. Once we have our little spider, we're going to crawl all the way up the water spout. So we're going to keep our top two fingers together and we're going to twist and we're going to twist all the way up to the top of the water spout. Then we have down came the rain and washed the spider out. Then we want to use our hands and make a nice big circle for the sun. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And then we're going to do our spider again, so we want to go back down to the bottom. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. Okay, are you ready to start singing? The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. Okay everyone, we're gonna sing it one more time, but this time with the actions. The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again.
If you like our videos, please click on the subscribe button. And don't forget to follow us on YouTube, on Twitter, on Instagram, and on Facebook. For more information about our show, please visit us at kujoskidzone.com. Bye for now.
So big, so much to do and see.
Let's go see.
I'm a young prospector, prodigy.
Prodigy,
I can't succeed.